In this video, I'll show you how to create an animated Facebook profile picture, step by step. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Go to your profile and tap your profile picture. Look for the option to Add Profile Picture or change your profile picture. If Facebook offers an animated profile picture or video option on your account, select it and choose a short video from your phone. Trim the video if needed, adjust the preview, and select the option to save it as your profile picture. If the animated or video profile picture option isn't available, you can create a short animated video using a video editing app and upload it as a profile video if Facebook supports that feature for your account. Keep the video short, clear, and centered so it looks good in the circular profile format. Finally, preview your profile and confirm the changes. That's how you can create an animated Facebook profile picture when the feature is available on your account. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching.